In intimacy, chaos creates tension, but controlled energy creates desire. And when you learn to slow your hands, steady your breath, and focus fully on her responses, you unlock a level of connection most men never reach. During intimacy, fingers can create deep pleasure when used with patience and awareness. With the right technique, some women can reach climax through fingers alone because fingers adapt, bend, change pressure, and adjust angles with precision. They are controlled tools, and Stoicism teaches that control creates power. Today you will learn a respectful, step-by-step approach that focuses on safety, awareness, and calm confidence. Before any touch, remember two essentials: consent and preparation. Ask clearly and confidently, "Do you want me to touch you here?" Keep communication open at every moment because awareness is strength. Prepare your hands with discipline. Trim and file your nails smooth. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water. Clean under the nails and remove rings. If dryness may happen, keep unscented water-based lubricant nearby because friction destroys comfort. Clean hands prevent small injuries and reduce infection risk, and lubrication protects sensitivity. Step 1 is warming up with patience. For many women, arousal is a full-body process, not an instant switch. Start away from intimate areas and build connection first. Kiss slowly, explore the neck and collarbone, stroke the lower back, hips, and outer thighs with calm intention. As you move closer to the inner thighs, slow your rhythm. Overclothing, press your palm gently and hold, then release. Trace edges slowly to create rising anticipation. Teasing is not useless delay, it is fuel that increases blood flow and amplifies later sensation. Step 2 is external touch, slow and controlled. Begin lightly and explore without rushing. Move gradually and observe responses carefully. Circle around sensitive areas instead of applying direct pressure at first, because early intensity can overwhelm. Think light strokes, then gentle circles, then slightly firmer movement. Watch breathing, subtle body shifts, and soft sounds, because awareness guides you better than ego. Step 3 is rhythm and consistency. Most women respond better to steady patterns than random movement. Try smooth, circular motions around sensitive areas, slow vertical strokes, or controlled side-to-side patterns. Use one finger for precise pressure or two for broader contact depending on her preference. Ask simple, focused questions like softer or firmer, slower or faster, higher or lower, because communication is disciplined leadership. Step 4 is internal touch only with clear consent. Wetness signals arousal but not always readiness, so ask calmly, "Do you want me inside?" If she agrees, use lubricant if needed and begin with one finger. Never move forward without preparation. Enter slowly and pause so the body can relax. Use a controlled "come here" motion toward the front wall rather than fast thrusting because fingers are tools of angle and pressure, not speed. Calm hands guided by awareness create deeper pleasure than uncontrolled urgency. Step 5 is calm exploration with awareness. Move only a few millimeters up, down, left, and right because small adjustments create stronger sensation than large movements. If her body tenses, withdraw slightly, breathe together, and return to external touch because control means responding, not forcing. Now focus on the anterior sweet zone, about 1 to 2 inches inside on the front wall toward the belly. The tissue may feel slightly spongy as arousal increases, and this area becomes more responsive with time and patience. Use a slow, "come here" motion with your fingertip and begin with light taps or short strokes. Increase pressure only if she clearly asks for it or her body naturally leans into your movement because Stoicism teaches discipline, not ego. Keep your other hand active with intention, holding her hip, stroking her lower abdomen, or maintaining gentle external stimulation if she prefers blended sensation. Step 6 is thoughtful scaling. If she desires more fullness, partially withdraw, adjust slightly, and insert 2 well-lubricated fingers together while maintaining contact with the front wall. Combine small internal curling motions with steady external rhythm. Do not exaggerate movement, because as arousal rises, precision matters more than size. Pressure and consistency become more powerful than speed. Step 7 is discipline near climax. As intensity builds, her breathing, hip movement, and muscle tension will change. When you discover a rhythm her body clearly follows, do not change it. Hold the exact pressure and pace steady, because last-second adjustments often interrupt momentum. If she says right there, treat it as a fixed coordinate and remain focused without variation. Step 8 includes calm variations. Use gentle hood strokes without direct overstimulation, create slow outer-to-inner waves that build and release anticipation, apply a steady, warm palm for grounding pressure between peaks, or slightly adjust her hip angle with support to improve contact. Each variation should remain controlled and deliberate, never rushed. Step 9 is hygiene and comfort. Short nails, clean hands, and proper lubrication prevent irritation and micro-tears. If switching areas, wash thoroughly before returning to sensitive zones. If she feels burning or pain, stop immediately, add lubrication if needed, and return to slower external touch because sharp pain is a clear boundary. True mastery follows awareness, patience, and respect, and Stoicism reminds you that strength is shown through control, not aggression. Warmth or a stretching sensation can be acceptable only if she clearly says she is comfortable with it, because consent is continuous, not assumed. Step 10 is calm communication and aftercare. After a peak, keep your touch steady, but gradually reduce pressure as her body relaxes because sensitivity increases after climax. Many women appreciate being gently held, having their ribs or hair stroked, or receiving a light massage on the thighs. Offer water and allow silence to settle naturally. Later, when she feels grounded, ask one simple question. What did you like most? Remember her answer because experience is built on observation, not ego. Here are truths many men never hear. Not every woman climaxes from internal stimulation, and that is completely normal. Some prefer focused external touch, while others enjoy a blend of both. The only reliable method is to watch carefully, listen fully, and ask directly. Emotional tone changes everything. When she feels safe, respected, and unrushed, her body responds more openly. Blood flow improves, natural lubrication increases, muscles relax, and sensation deepens. Stoicism teaches that presence, patience, and controlled intention create stronger results than force or haste. Your hands can become precise instruments when guided by discipline and awareness. For men who also want to support their own performance, lifestyle, and circulation matter. Natural options like organic watermelon extract rich in citrulline may support nitric oxide and blood flow, while certain herbal blends containing ashwagandha, tonkat ali, fenugreek, nettle, and citrulline are often discussed for supporting stamina, hormonal balance, and overall vitality. Strength is not loud, it is steady. Control is not rigid, it is responsive. Mastery in intimacy, like in life, belongs to the man who observes, adapts, and acts with calm precision. Remember this, mastery is never loud. It is built in silence, in attention to detail, and in respect for boundaries. A disciplined man listens more than he speaks and adjusts more than he forces. That is how trust grows and pleasure deepens. If this perspective brought clarity, show your support. Like the video so this message reaches further. Share it with someone who values growth. And subscribe if you are committed to becoming controlled, composed, and capable in every area of life.